Hi guys, welcome back to Cool Product. If you love preserving fresh food at home, finding the right equipment is absolutely essential. Today, we are reviewing the top 5 best electric water bath canner models on the market to help you make the perfect choice for your kitchen. Let's get started. At number 5, we have the Roots and Harvest Electric Water Bath Canner. The Roots and Harvest Electric Water Bath Canner is a fantastic addition to any kitchen for anyone who loves preserving fresh food at home. If you enjoy making homemade jams or pickles, this electric canner completely changes the experience. Instead of taking up space on your stove and struggling to maintain a boil, this standalone unit gives you a dedicated space to safely process your recipes without crowding your daily cooking area. One of the most helpful features is the snug-fitting glass lid. When processing jars, maintaining a consistent rolling boil is absolutely critical. Because the lid is made of clear glass, you can easily view the contents and monitor your water without ever lifting it. Opening a traditional pot loses heat and disrupts the canning process, but this glass lid holds all that essential heat and moisture firmly inside. It also features a built-in ventilation hole. This vital detail allows excess steam to escape safely, preventing dangerous pressure buildup and stopping boiling water from bubbling over the sides onto your kitchen counter. Safety is a major concern when dealing with large amounts of boiling water, and Roots and Harvest kept this clearly in mind. The unit is designed with durable plastic handles on the sides that stay completely cool to the touch. A fully loaded water bath canner is very heavy and extremely hot. With standard pots, you have to use thick oven mitts just to gently adjust them. These cool touch handles completely eliminate that worry. You can safely grip the sides to move the machine or carefully slide it over to your sink for draining when your tasks are finished, all without risking painful burns to your hands. To make the actual processing completely secure, this system includes a highly convenient removable canning jar rack. This rack is an essential tool because it keeps your delicate glass jars from touching the very bottom of the pot. If jars sit directly on the hot base, the glass can easily shatter and ruin your hard work. The rack ensures boiling water can circulate underneath and around every single jar for safe and even heating. Because the rack is completely removable, it makes cleaning the main pot incredibly easy. You just lift it out and wash it in the sink. This practical design turns a usually stressful kitchen chore into a fun, easy, and highly rewarding weekend project. Next up, at number 4, we have the Llbwact Electric Water Bath Canner. Llbwact Electric Water Bath Canner brings serious power and convenience to your kitchen with its massive 32-quart capacity. This 30-liter size can handle up to 8-quart jars that are 32 ounces each, 15 wide-mouth pints, 21 regular pints, or even 27 half pints in one batch. That means you can process a full harvest, prepare party favors, or handle small business orders without splitting everything into multiple rounds. Less waiting, less hassle, and more time enjoying your homemade creations. The Llbwact Electric Water Bath Canner is designed to be simple and precise. You can set the temperature anywhere from 86 to 212 degrees Fahrenheit and choose a timer between 30 and 180 minutes. Once the cycle is done, it shuts off automatically. A built-in thermal sensor helps keep the heat even, so you do not have to worry about hot spots or under-processed jars. Just load your jars, set the controls, and walk away with confidence. Safety is clearly a priority. The cool touch handles protect your hands when moving the unit. The locking lid keeps steam contained where it should be. If the water level gets too low, the dry boil auto shutoff turns the power off to prevent damage. There is also a keep warm mode that maintains the ideal temperature without overcooking your food. It works just as well in a home kitchen as it does for commercial prep. Emptying hot water is usually the hardest part, but not here. The built-in drain spigot lets you release water easily without lifting a heavy pot. The food-grade SS304 stainless steel body resists corrosion and wipes clean quickly. Llbwact also includes a complete starter kit with 2 steaming racks, a jar rack, a jar lifter, a collapsible funnel, and a measuring tool, so you can start canning right out of the box. With 1800 watts of rapid heating power, this unit goes far beyond basic canning. You can prepare mulled wine for gatherings, try sous vide cooking for special dinners, or use it as a hot water bath for catering prep. It is a true multi-tool that earns its place on your counter all year long. Taking the third spot is the BeesMith Electric Water Bath Canner. The BeesMith electric water bath canner takes the hassle out of food preservation by offering massive capacity and smart digital controls. With an impressive 28.5 quart capacity, this unit lets you effortlessly produce large batches of your favorite jam, pickles, and tinned fruit. It comfortably holds up to 20 standard jars at the exact same time. It also includes a dedicated canning rack, keeping glass jars safe while allowing you to make more food in a single go, saving you hours of kitchen energy. Unlike traditional stovetop pots, the BeesMith electric water bath canner features precise digital control through a clear high-definition LCD display. You can adjust the temperature from 86 to 212 degrees Fahrenheit and set the built-in timer anywhere from 20 to 120 minutes. The smart constant temperature system ensures even heating throughout the entire pot, guaranteeing that all ingredients heat uniformly for perfect and reliable results. This heavy-duty machine is constructed from durable 304 stainless steel, giving it a flat surface that wipes clean easily. To protect you from painful burns, the lid, handles, and control panel are crafted from heat-resistant material, providing excellent insulation while you work. Beyond being a professional-grade canning machine, this unit offers highly versatile uses. You can use it to keep food warm during large family gatherings, or use it to braise meat, cook sausages, simmer vegetables, and make rich sauces. Safety and efficiency are top priorities with this model. The base features a highly convenient built-in drain valve. There is no need to lift a dangerously heavy pot filled with boiling water. You simply open the valve to drain the wastewater right into a bucket or sink. For added security, non-slip feet keep the canner firmly in place on your worktop, and a built-in overheating protection mechanism shuts things down if the temperature rises too high. Finally, this electric water bath canner comes with a comprehensive instruction manual. It includes helpful reference parameters, step-by-step procedures, and a variety of delicious recipes, ensuring even absolute beginners can get started with total confidence. Coming in at number 2 is the WantJoin electric water bath canner. The WantJoin electric water bath canner brings massive cooking space and smart temperature control straight to your kitchen countertop. If you love preserving large amounts of food, you will deeply appreciate the impressive 30-quart capacity. This generous size comfortably holds up to 11 one-quart jars at the exact same time. It is an essential electric canning pot for serious home canners who want to process much more food in less time, letting you easily handle big harvest batches of delicious jams, fresh jellies, or homemade pickles. To guarantee your recipes turn out safely, this unit gives you precise temperature and time control. You can easily adjust the settings to match your specific daily needs. It features a smart built-in thermal sensor that constantly monitors the water, ensuring completely even heating throughout the entire cooking process. Whether you are brand new to preserving food or highly experienced, this smart electric canner ensures every single jar is processed perfectly and consistently. Despite its large size, the WantJoin electric water bath canner is surprisingly lightweight and easy to move around. It is built from high-quality food-grade 304 stainless steel, offering excellent durability against rust and daily wear. To make things even better, the lid, control knobs, and internal bucket rack are crafted from heat-resistant composite materials. This clever design choice makes this unit 30% lighter than traditional metal models, all without sacrificing any structural integrity or long-term strength. When you are finished with your hard work, draining a giant pot of hot water can be dangerous, but this model makes it incredibly simple. It includes an ergonomic drain valve located right at the base. You can quickly empty the water directly into a sink or bucket without doing any dangerous heavy lifting. Finally, the non-porous stainless steel surface naturally prevents food buildup or sticky residue. You can easily clean the entire unit with just a quick wipe down using a damp cloth. It is a wonderfully low-maintenance tool designed for fast cleanup. And finally, our top pick, the Ball Electric Water Bath Canner. The Ball Electric Water Bath Canner completely changes how you preserve your favorite foods at home. If you hate standing over a hot stove, Ball has created the perfect solution. This appliance features innovative press-and-forget technology that automates the preheating and processing steps with the push of a button. Instead of wasting time watching a boiling pot, you simply start the cycle and walk away. This gives you more free time to prepare ingredients or relax while the canner does the hard work. To ensure your food is preserved perfectly, the Ball electric water bath canner has advanced heat sensors built right in. These smart sensors monitor the water to maintain optimal temperatures throughout the entire process. This guarantees highly consistent canning results, giving you peace of mind that your food is safe. Another huge benefit is the freestanding design. Instead of crowding your cooking area, this device sits on your countertop. This frees up valuable space on your stovetop, allowing you to cook other meals while your jars process. This machine is not just for preserving jams. Ball designed this all-in-one canner to be incredibly versatile for everyday use. It acts as a fantastic multi-cooker and steamer, making it a great addition to your daily routine. You can use it to boil large batches of pasta, simmer rich soups, or steam fresh vegetables and seafood. This multi-purpose functionality means you do not have to pack it away after canning season ends. It stays useful all year long, helping you prepare dinner for a large family without needing multiple extra pots and pans. When you have a big harvest from your garden, you need an appliance that handles the volume. This canner features an impressive 21-quart capacity, giving you plenty of room. Inside this spacious pot, you can easily fit up to 8 pint-sized jars or 7 quart-sized jars at the same time. This lets you process big batches of food very quickly, saving you time and energy. With its smart automation, reliable temperature control, and everyday cooking features, this device takes all the stress out of food preservation. Ready to start canning like a true professional? Check the price link in the description for the latest deals on all these amazing units. Be sure to like and subscribe to Cool Product for more awesome kitchen recommendations.